Yes, sir. Emma Munina akwa bepiem na efamra betwam twumedie so. Meka se sika o sika koso ne twa. Koso ne twa. Star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. Select option 4. Twagum sa. Peso udi. Tije ho ane twagum. Twagum sa ne fako. Twagum sa ne fako. 3,000 Ghana cedis. 3,000 Ghana cedis. Eti Eric Esir be ma 1,000. Me ba asem di kama ma 1,000. Ma sa ba pese ma sa ma 1,000. 1,000. Whatever they call say 1,000 you. 1,000 sa. Eti o se be 2 days ago enura amanfo so di ye. Enen so krofo ba be wini. Ne nyina so be yire ho atwa. Eti dial star 281 hash. Star 281 hash. No I select option 4. Option 4. And we Adom TV. Tubo number 4 no share option na Adom TV. Na afi baby akwa betwa be 5 Ghana. To twa bet 10 twa 20 fagum. E dey our number betimi a drop it. No we 1,000 and pay ya na. Se ne so ahia se gum ni baby a o se so gugu dia. Ben so gugu na se we mate kra na 1,000 betimi asort na ma bebre. Everyone say the boka temu nsema fe online stories yeah. Ababetu asona starting from Adom online you can say ye live and so already fosu the radio fosu for ma gibre na motie nyina so no ya mamu nyina ma chema makwaba e de ba bedwam twumedie so on adomonline.com see ecosi say impact project present 50,000 Ghana cedis to kidney patients mbeka na no na Philip Osebonsu any ecosi team led by Dominic Kisi Yabua omahine kwabena asante omunyina ka bo mum ese wogigi entoboa de aboa yenwina sabio wanya kidney yade ye omwo kolebu na yaresabia wodo awo man Ghana ahano semno ka se entoboa na Ghana fo eboa ese yemfamoa no yetime nya 50,000 Ghana cedis 50,000 Ghana cedis can is 500 million tie nyina yade Ghana fo yade papa is supporting such a project eso yonko da no da na no mianka sambo anan eko ikolebu dialysis center hono enya hoka baako save granty obi mo de the idea by some of us were fully support of it so wako hono da enya hoka bibi obi aso betimi akọ obi e ba kidney yade de obi a betimi akọ etie ye mu a timi a contribution yankopon hire obi bia na nyame nam saa entuboi so ema obi bia nyenhira yen tokoso moa ye ho sei ya kase je ne nyina abo aban so a ebe da chi asem so at least 50,000 Ghana cedis ebetimi asort ni pa ba ko menu miensa ena bi dialysis for maybe a week a month we de kwa akoboa won na sebutim se we de emfa oko dialysis center won mu adefo sebu won na wo bi won na ni bie enyina na agi mpa na kentenso wona yakopɔ ye wadom kakra o monsem de ye de nyame asem mo kra eno monhira ye na bi ni yesem no ye de 50,000 e kwa akobo so congrats and kudos to Timekosi say for adwuma pa moye 2 Chinese Ghanaians arrested for illegal mining in Tano Anua Forest Reserve. Eti mpenifo do ni akire Tano Anua Forest ne emuom ko makoche China fo mi no Ghana fo bi nso yomo ye galamsey ewo ehonom. I was a victim of character assassination. Adjuasafo then Adjuasafo again. Adjuasafo to face MPP disciplinary committee. I don't know pena way General Secretary Justin Frimpong Kodua. Disciplinary committee obi aya we say ye do kwa ncheso ye buufo. But the fact class about him so do be correct disciplinary committee no. Ema no ye how kakra. Say Adjuasafo akoye interview bi wo Joy News ne semo kan no. Party abo amanfo kokko. So as part of their healing from the 2024 election defeat, you know, people should be measured in some of their utterances. Yes, yeah. Well, yes, sir, party say we be the party in the form. But the crow show me say the case of Sarah Adjuasafo. And no one who say the MP from Price OPK. There is a And say, yeah, right, I be on the Facebook page. So some of the party people, from the top to down, were not fair to Sarah Adwoasafo. We're not fair to her. Time a party from penny for power. I didn't some to Adwoasafo. Young party penny be also issue statement. When according to Adwoasafo, when man penny dim come on, party pen for so no dim come actually dientia afi ba contem. Physical ultimate one adwuma so. But mo party pen for ya the address you radio TV so pan. Party pen for be no issue statement condemning it. Say be adwo man penny akasa. Because me nyini say president Kufuor na ya in the say or just see the atour for 1 year. Ada just have no wine. So for the president to have accepted say I'm adwo but ne seat ni minister position okita no me toward the man no it means some komodia koso. But man for super Sarah Adwoasafo. Na party constitution wo ho. But na nyame ya adom na se ho to no oba be yi ne ho anu a. Ya ka hu se party constitution no. E wo nto se sa constitution ye adwuma. Oh yes sir, enye fair. Yes, mo yes sir, enye fair. And the same thing with about same will say the comment on Minister Kaudia say Professor Michael Kwe committee no says weapon. Meta man for keka say let's not discuss. So far NPP why their vote dropped in 2020 reporting. Me Ashanti region reporting kwan mo na for Ashanti region there are some similarities. It's because ya report we they are show being passed. And young workshop party for no on why the report is saying say a vote a drop here. So that same mistake no more repeating into my party vote drop here. No, you find same in the 2024 report. For the first time being so carry. Especially when it comes to communication. Party communicators need be doing some can say we are not aware of some of the things that report in the capture in 2020. So same will repeat in 2024. So, lawyer Justin Frimpoko, you am saying, says Sarah Adwoasafo, if you call her to the disciplinary committee, you have not been fair to her. She has suffered and no can. I was a victim of character assassination. So if you politics now, na ABBO. So Daily Graphic, I have come Adom online. I would contest Domi Kwabenya seat again. Okay, Adwoasafo. NPP also say the papa nko no bi obetimi amana isa na adwen. The freedom Kwabenya konya so be contest and so one contest no. Manfa Daily Graphic double kata and share asem. Or say Ben Galamsey excavators activist advocate. Eti ekobi so ekasa de fa Galamsey ekon so na ekasa se man panima na nimre na excavators na etimi emfa nkonkosi wonom. Yenhye no. New Kouman pledges to improve agric other sectors. The Kouman in a pound for fraud. That's the bread a queer more boating your tossum yes. As soon as I say about the boss of the year, queer on send it to me. I found to my party fra ewo mamun. Electrocam $645 million to expand operation. The Electrocam force more pay best $445 million US. Now what they are threatening would you make the year would the the publisher, Ghanaian publisher. Stop your hawks now. Afenyo-Markin tells Mahama minority leaders on the say national security first over Juma Mahama. El Timu Musele be yom kofa boni bia meka omen. Now Toshi back successor attends his vetting. Eti onmanyam for arena Toshi ado. Dabi ado so bien. Refache onmanyam for arena Toshi. Man fence one mo. On na year administrator de ma common fan. Ne man peni ma ba yen. Ofira mo yabo bia be shim to se nipa no aban so tade chi pa se de be ya djumedi betimi awie payom. NPP drags Taifa Beyonce to disciplinary committee. So it comes to the picture of Sarah Adwoasafo for the Ewa, the Ghanaian publisher, Adom. Daily Guide. Attorney General okayed raid on ex-BOG governor's house. 10,000 Ghana cedi jewelry stolen. Eti Attorney General Swaba wanted to kwanya national security files bowura. Dr. Ernest Addison Fie ekobo ne search. I'm so mo for so pa. No was see a case open. This is 10,000. Ayida. Afenyo good year bi so ayida. Abra Japan ne pedfo eba ne fie be born ne search. SML disrupted petroleum cartels tax evasion system. Eti SMS one says no and as I PM ewa. How and why national security picked Okatachi Afrifa to Okatachi Afrifa so for ni ewo ahanum. Say a queer fast so a channel any the NT channel unya da bokate bi hu sem bebre ewom. NPP initiates disciplinary action against Adjoa Safo. It was the Sarah Adjoa Safo so for ni abba the bokate enim. Daily Guide and the custodian. Stop national security race on ex-appointees. I can't was Adjoa Safo drag to NPP disciplinary committee. I can't was good for oil policy ensured stable fuel prices. He has Antampuli. And can you buy so far? They say no. Show my control. Some sort of say. It's a good for oil. Na president could find the best. Na buama. Fem mo bona entimi koso bebre. Sa ni chaba pe fon sanhwe twa wo twam no ebiem. The new publisher. Now story the new publisher they are na no pe. We sorry I say sapiosexual kafui danku sparks hope. Any idea? So I then sapiosexual no I just say so why then? I say sapiosexual kafui danku sparks hope. Hey. They have been telling him. Don't raid on ex-governor of Bank of Ghana's home, wife's jewels, cash missing. Yes, Dr. Ernest Addison, you know, as I said, Abra Japan National Security Pen for a bound on Nisika Aida, Fena Goodyear so Aida, ya, womb. I just must let our dead mom rest in peace. Kwashiga family warns. It's the new publisher, the Bokata, and the Daily Gist. Mahama boys on rampage, raid governor's home, arrest Okatachi Afrifa. It's Yaboso Edada. Minister runs errands for Ibrahim Mahama and Tiasi Afedie. Abaso for share a year fisamso. Interior Minister. And then Ibrahim Mahama Esmas Manisano, see Ibrahim Mahama Kwakwa ready ama prisons. And Osman Sajikwe, Nefakomomo, Efa and Mamen. Kennedy begs US court to reduce $18 million fine in Anas case. It is see unmenya for Kennedy accompany kwa Japan so na Apple US court to Chelsea $80 million so munchia emfama Anas no say dos dodo. It court no hweda yentimi enteso emano. Daily Gist. Edede ebe jarapan we su ejina samodo eba da wakata me online stories. Ye de nyina e se beka se sika koso ne twa na utwa nko a ubedi. Dial *281#. *281#. Selecting option 4. Chagum. Yeah, the first live draw. Bro. Se CA. Ubenya 1,000 Ghana cedis. Many of the questions here. I will name them. Etwas.
For meeting the Mavis, Amano Afenyo, Fire Lady, Adorable Lady, Faithful Papi. Nemo Ghana man today. Pusiana. Fenya Pusia the day. Major so come. Ediamao. Yo, me nana kwafa kuto the second. Any of him ma papa bi nana afrakoma the second. This is crown. Yo, mincha tourist attraction kakra. Ewa akosomo anase akwemu. Akosomo dam. Akwemu mansulesi. Ye ni ye magana fu nyina nkania. Yo. No bi fia broti fia manone ni ade ba. Yen heya na nkrofo ba ibetina boat so koroso na body koji won eni kakra yo enu achiri no ye wo museum kasepa wa kwamu fi a eho ye wo nioma wo nkrofo eba behwe enua ye di edu anopa ye twu meko ye poto meko ni ye diampesi yo nedu awia ya wo fufu ne menkwan na adechia ya kakokonte ni ye denkwan ni bi yedi ana ye twumeko ni ye di kokonte akwamfo nen ye yakofo papa ene Ghana manti e ya Adom TV o nkɔhwɛ baabi ya Adom TV ye wɔ nneɛma pa yɛde ma wo ade hye kronkronfo ɛne yɛwɔ ha ne das